Hello everyone, this video is about the properties in mathematics. First, commutative property. What is commutative property? The commutative property states that the number on which we operate can be moved from their position without making any difference to the answer. For example, a plus b is equals to b plus a. If we consider that a is 1 and b is 2, the first way will be like a plus b means 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. The second way will be like b plus a means 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. The both answers are same and equal. Commutative property holds for addition and multiplication, but not for subtraction and division. But why this property doesn't hold subtraction and division? Let's see. For example, we take a minus b equals to b minus a and consider that a is 1 and b is 2. The first way will be like a minus b means 1 minus 2 equals to minus 1. The second way, b minus a means 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. Now the both answers are not equal. That's why in commutative property, subtraction and division are not possible. Now what is associative property? This property states that when 3 or more numbers are added or multiplied, the sum or the product is the same regardless of the grouping of the multiplicants. Grouping means the use of bracket to group numbers. Associative property involves 3 or more numbers. Associative property can only be used with addition and multiplication. For example, ABC means 1, 2, 3. A plus B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. The first way will be like A plus B plus C as 1 plus 2 plus 3. As there is a bracket, we will plus 1 and 2 and add 3 is equals to 6. The second way will be like A plus B plus C as 1 plus 2 plus 3. As there is a bracket, we will add 2 and 3. We got number 5 and we add it with 1 and we got the number 6. Now both the answers are same. In associative property, subtraction and division cannot be done. Now we are done with commutative property and associative property. Now let's start additive identity property and distributive property. Here we will discuss the additive identity property. Additive identity is a number which, when added to any number, gives the sum as the number itself. It means that additive identity is 0, as adding 0 to any number gives the sum as the number itself. For example, 2 plus 0 equals 2. 0 plus 5 equals 5. What is distributive property? To distribute means to divide something or give a share or part of something. According to the distributive property, multiplying the sum of two more multiplicants by a number will give the same result as multiplying each multiplicand individually by the number and then adding the product together. For example, a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a plus c. This is distributive property over addition. Now distributive property over subtraction. A into B minus C is equals to A into B minus A into C. This is all about the additive identity property and distributive property. So we have done all the properties in mathematics.